Dan is the king of high-ticket sales, and he is a masterful entrepreneur.
That's what I love about Dan, no BS.
Dan is an exceptional leader, teacher, business mentor, and friend.
Dan's a force of nature.
$12 million in my pocket is what I believe I would have above and beyond what I've made in the last 10 years alone, had I found Dan Lok sooner.
Here's another good question we got from our high-ticket expert community. What is the best way to do a free challenge or live webinar in trying to sell my coaching program or consulting package? By the way, if you are not a part of the high-ticket expert community, you could apply. Go to www.highticketexpert.com. So, first of all, let me teach you the theory of consumption. So why do you want to do a challenge? Now, that could be a 3-day challenge, a 5-day challenge, and 7-day challenge, or a 21-day challenge. You have to understand the theory of consumption. So let me teach that to you. The theory of consumption says this: for every $1,000 you want someone to spend with you, they need to consume at least 1 hour of your content. I'll say that again. For every $1,000 you want someone to spend with you, they need to consume at least 1 hour of your content. Now, that could be micro consumption, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, 20 minutes there, or that could be a big lump sum, right? So think about it. If you want someone to, let's say, buy your high-ticket program and your high-ticket program is $10,000, what does that mean? That means they need to consume at least 10 hours of your content. So you look at 10 hours, well, that easily could be a 3-day challenge. You could do 5-6 hours here or 3-4 hours here. Next day, day 2, 3-4 hours there. And then day 3, 3-4 hours there. That's okay. Day 1, day 2, day 3. So it depends on how much you are charging. What is the price point of your program? That would dictate how much time you need them to be with you, to scale trust, to compress time. If it's a $5,000 program, 5 hours. If it's $10,000 program, 10 hours. So if you look at it that way, you will know the best way to structure your free challenge or your live webinar. If you want to see this in action, kind of how we do it, you could go to www.moresalechallenge.com. It is a 21-day challenge. It's micro consumption, 10 minutes a day. And you can see our process and how this works. I think you'll learn a lot from it. And check out the page and check out the sequence, because I think there are a lot of things you can apply that in your business as well. Until then, go high ticket.